You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this dinosaur. If you want to learn more dinosaur names that are confusing and more vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll definitely want to learn from. There are different pronunciations, I'm afraid, in English, hence probably the confusion, and that's probably why you're here. Let's go with the most common pronunciation, plesiosaur, plesiosaur, plesiosaur. So you can either have a Z sound or an S sound for the first S, okay? Plesiosaur, plesiosaur, or plesiosaur, plesiosaur, or plesiosaur. Can you hear the difference? That's one alternative pronunciation. Now, it can also be pronounced as plesiosaur, 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 or plesiosaur, or plesiosaur. Three different pronunciations. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.